ROC stands for Regenerative Orthopedic Center, and today we are at the Tualatin location to speak with one of its board-certified orthopedic surgeons. We are with Dr. Shane Hanzlik, a board-certified orthopedic surgeon here at ROC. Dr. Hanzlik, what do you specialize in here at ROC?
We specialize in hip preservation surgery. Think of it as surgery to do things to take care of people's hips.
And you are preserving lifestyles here, people who want to stay active.
Yes, exactly. It ranges all the way from kids all the way up to 80, even 90-year-olds sometimes.
And how common is the need for a hip replacement?
It's probably the most common surgery we do. And luckily, it's probably the most successful surgery we do. In a day where I see 30 people in the clinic, 20 of them are talking to me about a hip replacement.
You're at the forefront of this type of procedure. What kind of technology are you using?
So now we're using what we call automated reality, which is basically taking a 3D image of the patient from a CT scanner and then making the exact hip replacement position we want and projecting a hologram onto the patient at the time of surgery. It basically gives me like X-ray vision or 3D goggles at the time of surgery. I can see the patient's true anatomy. It's not obscured by their skin and muscle, the things that normally we wouldn't really be able to see around, so that when I then go to put the components in, I can put them exactly the way that I want to based off of that preoperative imaging that I was using to make it in the perfect position.
So with this new technology, is the downtime shorter?
In the sense that by getting everything exactly right, your success rate is much higher. And so the patient, sure enough, says, hey, my hip feels good right away. And they get up and walk that same day as surgery.
Let's say someone is injured and facing the need for surgery. Why should they choose ROC?
Well, first of all the doctors that I work with here, they're all just really great people. They care about the patients. We develop good rapport with the patients. And then the best part, we're all at the top of our field for the surgeries we do.
To learn more about orthopedic care and recovery at Regenerative Orthopedic Center, visit rocpdx.com.